Okay, hi everybody. So welcome to our lesson. Okay, so we are going to continue with the lesson we saw last time on the gerund. Okay, last time I told you that the gerund is the verb made from the verb plus ing, and I have given you some example, and we even saw the difference between the gerund and the present participle. Okay, and we saw some uses of the gerund. Okay, so today we are going to continue with the uses of the gerund. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, the next point dealing with the uses of the gerund is that the gerund is used after prepositions such as without, on, in, by, at, after, before, from, etc., etc. Okay, it is used after prepositions such as without, on, in, by, at, after, before, from, etc., etc. This is the next use of the gerund. Let me repeat it. It is used after prepositions such as without. So you must know that without all these examples I have written here, please, are examples. They are preposition. Without is a preposition, on, preposition, in, by, at, after, before, from, etc., etc. Examples. Can you sneeze without opening your mouth? Okay, that is, if you want to sneeze, can you sneeze without opening your mouth? Can you sneeze without opening your mouth? So let me put the preposition in color and even the gerund. Without opening, opening is the gerund. Okay, can you sneeze without opening your mouth? That is, after the preposition without, normally you must bring the gerund. Can you sneeze without opening your mouth? Okay, another example. She is good at painting. She is good at painting. Okay, so at here is a preposition. Let me put it in color, and painting is the gerund. Painting here is the gerund. She is good at painting. She is good at painting. Okay, another example. Another example is that she avoided him. She avoided him by walking on the opposite side of the road. Okay, she avoided him by walking on the opposite side of the road. Okay, by here is the preposition. Okay, by is the preposition. Let me give it a color. Take this. Okay, she avoided him by walking, and walking is the gerund. Walking is the gerund. Right. She avoided him by walking on the opposite side of the road. She avoided him by walking on the opposite side of the road, which means that after by, you must come with the gerund. That is the verb plus ing. Okay, so another example is they are keen on windsurfing. Okay, they are keen on windsurfing. So on here is a preposition. Okay, on here is a preposition, and windsurfing is the gerund. Windsurfing is the gerund. Oh, sorry. Let me put it in color. Okay, they are keen on windsurfing. They are keen on windsurfing. Okay, so let's continue with the uses of the gerund. Okay, the gerund is used after expressions such as in spite of, there is no point in. Okay, in spite of, there is no point in. Okay, the gerund is used after expressions such as in spite of, there is no point in. Example, there is no point in waiting. There is no point in waiting is the expression. Okay, so normally after the expression there is no point and in spite of, you must come with the gerund. Okay, there is no point in waiting, and waiting here is the gerund. Put it in red. Okay, and even missing. Okay, missing too in red. Okay, there is no point in waiting. There is no point in waiting. In spite of missing the train, we arrived on time. Okay, in spite of missing the train, we arrived on time. Okay, that is despite the fact that we missed the train, we arrived on time. Okay, in spite of missing the train, we arrived on time. Okay, so let's continue with the use. Okay, the gerund is used after a number of phrasal verbs. After a number of phrasal verbs, I will put it in that. The gerund is used after a number of phrasal verbs which are composed of a verb plus preposition or adverb. Okay, the gerund is used after a number of phrasal verbs which are composed of a verb plus preposition or adverb. That is a verb followed by a preposition or an adverb. Like for example, to look forward, to look forward, to give up, to give up, to be for or against, to be for or against, to take to take to put off, to put off, to keep on, to keep on. So all these are phrasal verbs. Okay, so the number is known. That is why I say a number of phrasal verbs which are composed. That is, after this expression, these phrasal verbs, normally you must bring the gerund. Okay, so to look forward, to give up, to be for or against, to take, to put off, to keep on. Okay, example, I look forward to hearing from you soon. Let me put look forward to. Okay, look forward to is the phrasal verb. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Okay, I look forward to hearing from you soon. Okay, let me remove the color of to. I look forward to hearing from you soon. And hearing here is the gerund, to which I will give a color. Okay, I look forward to hearing from you soon. That is at the end of the letter. Okay, for example, if you write a letter, at the end of the letter, for example, this sentence is a sentence that you can put at the end of the letter. Okay, that is why I put it between parentheses at the end of a letter, meaning that it is an example that can be written at the end of a letter. Okay, another example, when are you going to give up smoking? Okay, to give up smoking, let me put it to in color. When are you going to give up smoking? When are you going to give up smoking? And smoking is the gerund. Okay, in red. When are you going to give up smoking? Meaning that when are you going to stop smoking? Okay, since smoking damages the body. Okay, when are you going to give up smoking? Another example, he kept on asking for money. He kept on asking for money. Can you see to keep on here? Okay, let me put it a color, give it a color too. He kept on asking the gerund. He kept on asking for money. He kept on asking for money. Okay. He kept on asking for money. He kept on asking for money. So, the next use of the gerund is the gerund is used after possessive adjectives and personal pronouns, that is object, personal pronouns object. Okay, the gerund is used after possessive adjectives and personal pronouns which are object. Okay, it is used after possessive adjectives and personal pronouns object. Example, I don't mind is coming. Is a possessive adjective. That is, normally after the is, you must bring the gerund. Okay? Okay, the gerund. Coming, and is the possessive adjective. Okay? Possessive adjective. I don't mind is coming. Or you can use with a personal pronoun object. I don't mind him coming. Okay, I don't mind his coming, or I don't mind him coming. Okay, my mother hates my speaking like a Ghanaian. That is, my mother does not like my way of speaking like a Ghanaian. Okay, this is what it means. Okay, my mother hates my speaking like a Ghanaian. Okay, my here is a possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. And speaking here is the gerund. My mother hates my speaking like a Ghanaian. Okay. My mother hates my speaking like a Ghanaian, or my mother hates me speaking like a Ghanaian. My mother hates me speaking like a Ghanaian. Okay. Now the last use of the gerund is this is the last use. The gerund is used with a compound noun. That is, it can be used with compound nouns, as you see them in front of you. For example, a driving lesson. Okay, a driving lesson. Driving and lesson, okay, constitute a compound noun. A driving lesson. Okay, driving represents the gerund here. Okay, a driving lesson. Okay, a driving lesson. A swimming pool. Okay, a swimming pool here too. Swimming represent the gerund. Okay, swimming pool. A bird watching. Okay, a bird watching. A bird watching, and a train spotting. A train spotting. A train spotting. Okay, let me change color. Okay, a driving lesson. Okay, a swimming pool, a bird watching, a train spotting. Okay, all these are compound nouns. Okay, that is, the gerund is used here with these compound noun. Okay, so here is the end of the lesson on the gerund. Okay, so I wish you enjoyed it too. Okay, so thank you for following me. Thank you so much. I wish We will meet next time for another chapter. Okay, so thank you so much. Please, the lesson I'm giving you, please try to learn them. Okay, try to use them in your writing and speaking. It is the only way to improve your English. Okay, so thank you so much for following me. We shall meet next time. Goodbye.